morning, student. In the last video we studied about the open and closed circuitry system, and in the closed circuitry system single and double circulation. In single circulation the blood flows through the heart for only one time. During circulation the blood passes to the heart for only one time. It is shown in the fishes, in which the heart is two chambered, consists of one auricle and one ventricle. Two chambered, one auricle and one ventricle. Auricle receives deoxygenated blood, impure blood from sinus venosus. The deoxygenated blood passes into the auricle, then into the ventricle. From ventricle, the conus arteriosus, the additional chamber, conus arteriosus, then supplies blood to gills, where in gills the purification of blood takes place, mixing oxygen and liberation of the carbon dioxide, purification of the blood, oxygenation. This oxygenated blood then transported to the various organs for utilization of oxygen and liberation of carbon dioxide with the help of aorta. And after utilization, the impure deoxygenated blood is collected by the vena cava into the sinus venosus. In this way, the circulation of blood takes place, where impure blood passes through the heart. Heart is responsible to carry impure blood. Such heart is called venous heart. Venous heart. In double circulation, the blood passes through the heart for two times. The same blood passes through the heart for two times. It is shown by birds and mammals. For example, in mammal, human being, the heart is four chamber. Upper two chambers are called auricle. Lower two chambers are called ventricle. Right auricle, atrium, left atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood and left atrium receives oxygenated blood. From the right atrium, the blood passes into the right ventricle. This deoxygenated blood is then transported with the help of pulmonary aorta to the lungs for oxygenation. The oxygenated blood with the help of pulmonary vein is supplied or poured in the left atrium, pulmonary vein. This type of circulation involving lungs is called pulmonary circulation. Pulmonary circulation. Then the pure blood from left atrium passes to the left ventricle. Left ventricle pumps blood into the systemic aorta, supplied blood to different organs with the help of dorsal aorta and the other blood vessels to the different organs, where the intake of oxygen and liberation of carbon dioxide, the blood becomes deoxygenated, impure, and impure blood is then collected by superior and inferior vena cava, pre-caval vein and post-caval vein. Release blood into the, carry blood to the right atrium. So the blood from right side of the body, right side of the heart is transported to lung, and the same blood then enter in left side of the heart. The same blood flows for 2 times, hence it is called double circulation. It is shown by the birds and mammals, while origin of this double circulation in reptiles and then before that amphibians. Then human circulatory system, blood vascular system. It consists of blood, heart, and the blood vessels. Blood vessels. The blood is the red color connective tissue fluid, consists of blood plasma and blood cells. The form elements: heart, 4-chambered heart with 2 auricle and 2 ventricle. The heart is myogenic heart under the control of muscle, and the blood vessels are artery, arterioles, capillaries, venules, and vein. So we discuss about the blood composition of blood. The blood composition: plasma and the form element. Composition of blood. Before that, the blood is red color connective tissue fluid. Red color connective tissue fluid. Fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. In 11th, we studied the connective tissue types. In that, the fluid connective tissue is the blood. Red color of the blood is due to the presence of RBC, due to the presence of pigment in the RBC, hemoglobin, the respiratory pigment. The blood is alkaline, viscous, heavier than water, gel-like, heavier than water. The alkaline pH is about 7.4 pH. The study of blood, its composition, is called hematology. Hematology. The blood consists of blood plasma and blood cells. Blood cells are the form elements. About 4 to 6 liters of blood is present in adult. In healthy adult, 4 to 6 liter of blood is present in the healthy adult. Such blood consists of two parts: blood plasma and blood cells, blood corpuscles. The blood plasma about 55%, and blood cells, the form elements, are 45%. 55% and 45%. In the 55% blood plasma, water is in largest amount. It is about 90 to 92%. And the dissolved solid material, the inorganic, organic material, 8 to 10%. Of the 8 to 10% solid material, some are organic and some inorganic materials. The organic material, the organic substances are carbohydrate, in the form of glucose, fructose, glycogen, etc. Proteins, the largest composition about 7 to 8% of the 8 to 10% solid. 7 to 8% proteins are there, largest in composition. The proteins are albumin protein, globulin, prothrombin, fibrinogen, heparin, enzyme, hormone, etc. Albumin protein responsible for maintaining viscosity of the blood and helps in maintaining osmotic pressure, osmotic pH. Globulin act as antibodies, the immunity system. Immunoglobulin rushes the foreign bodies. Prothrombin and fibrinogen are the clotting factors, helps in clotting of blood at the site of wound or injury, the blood clotting with the help of this protein. Heparin acts as an anticoagulant which prevent the clotting of blood inside the blood vessel. Normally, the blood flows in the blood vessel, does not clot due to the presence of this heparin protein. Enzyme and hormone are the regulatory protein. Enzyme acting as a biocatalyst, hormone stimulate the various organs to perform their function. The fats are present as an organic constituent in the form of fatty acid, glycerol, triglyceride, cholesterol, and another organic constituent are the vitamins. Vitamin is very much essential for normal functioning of this carbohydrate, protein and fat. They are necessary for normal biochemical reactions of the primary nutrients, vitamins. So these are the organic constituent. The inorganic constituent are inorganic salt, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, manganese, magnesium, iron, chlorine, zinc, copper, bicarbonates, etc. The inorganic solid. Second, the waste material, nitrogenous waste material, urea, uric acid, creatinine, waste material. And the third, gases, dissolved gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. So all these mixture present in the blood plasma, and plasma helps in transport of these substances in body where it required. जिथे कुठे आवश्यक आहे तिथे हे सबस्टन्सेस ट्रान्सपोर्ट करणे, त्यांचं फंक्शन करणे. सो मेन function is the transportation. The blood plasma contain water, solid, liquid, solid and gaseous substances. So it is the fourth state of matter where the mixture of liquid, solid and gases are present. We can say it is fourth state of matter formed by mixture of solid, liquid and gases. Now the second part of blood form elements or blood corpuscles. These are produced inside the blood. It's called form elements. These are red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles and blood platelets. The cells, the cellular component. Red blood corpuscles RBC are the major or abundance type of cells. Red blood cells RBCs are the major abundant cells present in blood. Helps in maintaining viscosity of blood. Viscosity. Such red blood cells are disc shape, circular in shape, disc shape, biconcave. From both the sides there is a concavity. Biconcave. या बाजूने आणि दुसऱ्या बाजूने सुद्धा कॉन्केव असे ते सेल असतात. From both sides concavity. These cells are enucleated, non-nucleated, except camel. In camel, the nucleus is present. These cells are also without the membrane-bound cell organelle like mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, centrosome, etc. So, for obtaining energy, oxidation of the substance takes place in absence of oxygen anaerobically. Centrosome lack centrosome, so these cells do not divide before their destruction, before their death. they do not divide at all. Such cells count number is about, in male and female, the different count of this cell is there. In male and female, in male it is about 5.1 to 5.8 millions per cubic millimeter, and in female 4.2 to 5.2 millions per cubic millimeter. Means what? 1 millimeter length, breadth and height. 1 millimeter length, 1 millimeter breadth and 1 millimeter height. Such small cube contain the amount of RBC. This one. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million म्हणजे 10 लाख. म्हणजे 50 ते 60 लाख, 40 ते 50 लाख एका मिलीमीटर क्यूब या जागेमध्ये एवढे नंबर ऑफ आरबीसी असतो. When the amount of RBC count, this is called total RBC count. When the total number of RBC count increase, it is termed as polycythemia. The amount of total RBC count decrease and this number decrease, it is called erythrocytopenia. Erythrocytopenia. The production of the RBC, it takes place in fetus, in case of the growing embryo, in fetus liver and spleen. While in adult, the production of RBC takes place in red bone marrow of the long bones. Red bone marrow of long bones like humerus, femur, radius ulna, tibia fibula. Then another bone are sternum, ribs, pelvic girdle, etc. The site of production of red blood corpuscle. During the formation of the red blood cell, formation of red blood cell takes place at the rate of about 2 million RBC per second. 2 million RBC are formed per second. During the production, the hormone secreted from kidney synthesize hormone called erythropoietin. Such hormones stimulate the red bone marrow of the long bones and the other bones. In the red bone marrow, there are presence of cells called hemocytoblast cells. hemocytoblast cell. The type of hemocytoblast cells are erythroblast, also called reticulocytes. These cells are the parent cell of the RBC. These cells divide and redivide to form immature reticulocytes. These immature reticulocytes contain all the cell organelle and nucleus. After that, the immature reticulocytes get converted into mature RBC, where the membrane-bound cell organelle and the nucleus degenerate. Centrosome also degenerate. Redivision साठी centrosome असतो इथं, इकडे degenerate होऊन जातो. So production of RBC controlled by secretion of the hormone erythropoietin. Also another hormone are there, testosterone, thyroxine. Testosterone also helps in production of the RBC, stimulate the production of RBC. Hence in male, the amount of RBC count is more. Then the RBC contain, cytoplasm of the RBC contains hemoglobin. A large amount of space occupied by hemoglobin. Cytoplasm contain the respiratory pigment, hemoglobin, and also the enzyme carbonic anhydrase, which we studied in respiration chapter, for synthesis of carbonic acid and breakdown of the carbonic acid into proton and bicarbonate ion. The carbonic anhydrase enzyme helps in transport of that carbon dioxide from RBC to the blood plasma, then lungs. The hemoglobin respiratory pigment, it is iron containing protein. Hemoglobin, the respiratory pigment is iron containing pigment. Formed by the heme, the two elements, heme and globin. Heme is made up of iron and 4 pyrrole ring. The 4 pyrrole ring forms porphyrin. Porphyrin is formed by 4 pyrrole ring molecule. Globin is the protein, consists of 4 polypeptide chain. The 2 chains are called alpha chain and 2 chains are beta chain. Alpha and beta chain. So iron porphyrin structure is called heme and heme attached with globin. One heme molecule attached to one globin protein chain, attached to one globin protein chain. So there are 4 chains require 4 heme molecules. Four polypeptide chains. One heme carry 1 oxygen molecule. So 4 heme molecule carries 4 oxygen. The carbon dioxide is attached with the amino group of carbon dioxide is attached with the amino group of the globin chain to form carbaminohemoglobin. Carbaminohemoglobin for its transportation. The oxyhemoglobin dissociate at the tissue level and form at lungs. Carbaminohemoglobin form at tissue level and dissociate at the lungs. So, function of the red blood cell, function of hemoglobin is the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. This is the structure of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin made up of 4 pyrrole ring. This one pyrrole ring. The pyrrole ring attached with each other. Pyrrole ring 1, 2, 3, 4 pyrrole ring attached with each other at the place to form the structure called porphyrin. So this together structure form, it is called as porphyrin. Porphyrin. The pyrrole ring containing nitrogen atom in the ring. So these 4 pyrrole molecules to form the porphyrin, in which the central element occupied by the position by the iron Fe attached with the nitrogen here. Together the structure with porphyrin and iron, it is called heme. The molecule is called heme. Attached to heme there is a chain of globin protein. The globin protein consists of 4 polypeptide chain, of which 1 polypeptide chain get attached here with the pyrrole ring to form the hemoglobin molecule. Globin protein. So, with each one chain, there is attachment of one heme compound forming the structure called hemoglobin. Now, this hemoglobin percentage in the male and female, it is different. In male, the percentage of hemoglobin is about 14 to 17 gram per 100 ml of blood. It is gram percentage. In female, the hemoglobin is 13 to 15 gram per 100 ml of blood. That is the gram percentage. If the amount of hemoglobin decrease, in male below 11, 10, in female below 9, to 10 gram percent, if it is occur in person, then the symptoms of anemia are there. Anemia, weakness. The hemoglobin RBC has the lifespan, red blood corpuscle has lifespan of about 120 days. So once formed, they perform function for the 120 days. After that, they are destroyed. They get destroyed. After completion of lifespan, destroyed in liver and spleen. In liver, the cells called Kupffer cells. In liver, the Kupffer cells are present that destroy the RBC. The spleen is commonly called graveyard of RBC. Graveyard of RBC. In spleen, the RBC are destroyed. Hemoglobin get broken down into hemoglobin, heme get broken down into iron and porphyrin. Iron and the porphyrin molecule. Iron and globin are reutilized, recycle back. Recycle back into the bone marrow for the production of new red blood corpuscles, for synthesis of the new RBC. These are recycled back. Hence, spleen is commonly called as blood bank. It provides loan of the iron and globin to the bone marrow. Hence, spleen is commonly called as blood bank of body. Porphyrin as the waste material carried to liver, where porphyrin converted into the bile pigment, bilirubin, biliverdin, bile pigment as a waste material. Along with bile, it is released outside the body. The bile as a digestive juice secreted in intestine, and along with then feces, fecal matter, the bilirubin, biliverdin, the bile pigment are from outside as a waste material. So RBC, the largest amount of RBC helps in making viscosity of blood, transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Also, it is responsible for clotting process. In the clotting process, the small pores are formed, which are filled up by the red RBC. Are the functions.